Of ceramics. Ceramics are broadly divided into two classes: heavy clay products and pottery products. Heavy clay products are those products which consists mainly of clay with only small amount of other raw materials. For example, common bricks, roofing tiles, drain tiles, hollow tiles, sewer pipes, stoneware, and refractories are well known examples of heavy clay products. Pottery products. Pottery products are those products which are made of materials such as terracotta, earthenware, porcelain, bone china, and British china. These are known as pottery products. The term pottery includes wares made up of earthenware, wall tiles, electrical insulations made of porcelain or other ceramic insulating materials. Sanitary ware, glazed wall, electrical wares, and refractory goods are well known examples of pottery products. Pottery products are further subdivided into the following four groups. The first is known as the terracotta. Terracotta includes all pottery wares which are made from common clays. Terracotta comprises all porous pottery ware which are not covered with a glaze. Terracotta is not subjected to high temperatures to allow the body of the ware to become impermeable to liquids. It can be scratched by a hard steel. Its color varies from light yellow to red, reddish brown, and brown. Common bricks, tiles, and hollowwares belong to this class. The second type of pottery is the earthenware. All potteries proper that are permeable or porous are made from red burning clays and white clays and which are coated with a glaze are included in this category. It is harder than terracotta because it is fired at a higher temperature. Stoneware. Stoneware, potteries which become impermeable to liquids during the firing process are called stonewares. Stoneware is the ceramic ware with a slightly grayish or brownish body. They are dense and glazed with a salt glaze. Drain water pipes, uh, carboys for keeping liquids, especially acids, sanitary wares such as wash basins, etc., are examples of stoneware. Porcelain. Porcelain is a pottery with a white, translucent, and impermeable body. They are the best type of potteries, and the composition of the body is so adjusted that when they are subjected to high temperatures, it becomes completely translucent to light. Commercially, ceramics are classified into two groups: rough wares and fine wares. Rough wares are those ceramic materials which are made from coarse grained ceramic and have a porous biscuit of non uniform structure. Examples are building materials and refractories. Fine wares are those ceramics which are sintered or have fine pore uh, items with a uniform structure. Examples are porcelain, glazed pottery, and special ceramics. Recently, scientists have been creating structural materials which meet the requirements of radio electronic aviation, semiconductor, nuclear, and rocket technologies. The new materials have features such as high mechanical strength, high refractory properties, chemical and thermal stability, specific electrical or radio electronic properties. Silica, ceramics, and pyrocerams are the materials with high resistance to corrosion, and both have high refractive properties. Quartz ceramics is made from quartz or rock crystal by press forming or casting and firing to the centering point. Heat insulating materials are made by foamed quartz ceramics. In the foaming process, foaming agents are added. Quartz ceramics possess the property of high chemical and thermal stability, low temperature expansion, excellent electrophysical parameters, and low heat conductivity. Pyrocerams are stronger than glass and high carbon steel, have high chemical and thermal stability, excellent dielectric properties, and low temperature expansion. Pyrocerams are the materials made of uniformly crystallized glass and lie between glasses and ceramics. Again, ceramics on the basis of porosity are classified into two types: permeable, that is porous, and impermeable, that is non porous wares. Uh, this is a more technical classification to separate ceramic products. Well, some glazes are always impermeable. Permeable or porous pottery absorbs water and shows a rough fracture and sticks to the tongue when tasted in this fashion. Heavy clayware, refractory ware, terracotta, and earthenware are the examples of permeable or porous ware. Impermeable, that is non porous ceramic materials, absorb very little or no water. Stoneware, uh, vitreous china, china, and porcelain are the examples of impermeable ceramic materials. The distinction between permeable and impermeable ware is that whether the ware is permeable or impermeable, it depends on the composition of the body as well as on the temperature at which the firing process is carried out. For example, a body which is porous when fired at say 1200 degrees centigrade may be dense when fired at say 1400 degrees centigrade. Both types of ceramic wares, however, may be glazed or unglazed. The glazed product is obtained by applying glaze on the unglazed body, either before or after the firing. Um, Ceramics can also be classified on the basis of porosity or the degree of vitrification. Vitrification is the progressive reduction in porosity. It provides the basis for a useful classification of ceramic products as follows. The first type of products are the whitewares, which include varying amounts of fluxes. They are heated at moderately high temperatures and have complete vitrification. Then there are the heavy clay products, which have abundant fluxes, heated at low temperatures, and there is little vitrification. Then there are the refractories, which have little fluxes, heated at high temperature, and little vitrification. The fourth category is that of the enamels, very abundant fluxes. They are heated at moderate temperatures and they undergo complete vitrification. The last is the glass, which have moderate fluxes, heated at high temperature and complete vitrification. Whiteware is the general term for ceramic products which are usually white and of fine texture. Because of the different amounts and kinds of fluxes, there is corresponding variation in the degree of vitrification among the whiteware, from earthenware to vitrified china. Earthenware is porous and non-translucent with a soft glaze. Chinaware is vitrified, translucent ware with a medium glaze. Porcelain is vitrified, translucent ware with a hard glaze. Stoneware is regarded as a crude porcelain. Sanitary ware made from clay, formerly made from clay, was usually porous. Whiteware tiles are classified as floor tiles and wall tiles.